Welcome back. In this series, we'll be discuss the folder structure of Laravel. First, you can see we have a folder called app, and in this folder we are basically models and controllers, middleware, and all the logic are going to live, right? And then we have the Bootstrap file where Laravel gets started, Laravel get bootstraps, right? And then we have config file where our third-party libraries or the configuration of Laravel packages and all the other setting and configuration files are going to live inside config folder, right? And then we have the database file where our migrations, seeders, and factory data we're going to live, right? And then we have one of the main file which is public where our CSS, JS, and other assets files are going to live. And then we have resource file where our views are going to live, right? Where basically essentially our HTML and CSS file that user is going to see, right? Then we have routes for application for right, the API, the channels, console, and web routes, right? And then we have the one of the important folder called storage where our all of logs are going to live and other storage things, right? And then we have tests for PHP unit testing to check our application is correctly functioning or not, right? And then we have vendors where our third-party libraries are going to live. For example, if I open vendor, you can see these are the third-party libraries, right? And which basically the composer.json will contain all these packages details where you can configure them, and when we run composer install and composer update, this file will manage these packages, right? And then we have package.json which supports basically node package which works with node package manager, right? And then we have the environment file where we set up our database details and all the other stuff, the environmental stuff, right? So that's it. This is the folder structure of Laravel. And then let me just tell you in the end, there is a file public and index file. This is the start file of PHP. Basically this is from where Laravel starts, right? So that was the folder structure introduction, and in the next video we'll be discussing the routes, right? So see you in the next